Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's take a look at this Karambit, fixed blade Karambit that is acid etched. The acid etching on this one, I really like it. It gives off a distinct pattern on the metal. Handling this Karambit is a little bit long, but that's a bonus for Karambits. Concealability, since it's thin, it's a plus for it. Plus the execution and the overall look of this Karambit is really nice. How many Karambits do I have? Well, if I put all the Karambits on this table would not be enough. And it's a pain to take them all out in the cabinet or in the place where I store them. But maybe one day I will need to do that. One day. For now, I haven't even finished showing you most of them. So I'm starting with it little by little by today. And maybe one day I'd really do that and lay them all out in one, probably not in the table, in the floor with a zoomed out view. So this Karambit, I do. That's the sign of the maker. See that? Acid etching on this one is really good, but you can see it's a really raised kind of thing, and it was polished nicely. The sheath is really not Kydex. It's more of an ABS plastic, and you notice that when the sheath arrived, holstering it would create some rattle, but now see, you cannot hear any rattle. That's because I've repressed this. I've remolded the sheath to the knife, and it's now snugger fit. Drawing it would still be very smooth, and the retention, once it's there, no problem. And of course it's got the tech lock, not authentic Chinese tech lock, but I haven't broken any of this yet. I don't think you're going to be breaking it as long as you're just going to be using it normally and not going doing somersaults in the field and tumbling around. I mean, under normal usage this would serve you well, and you can still hear those hammering. They're hammering away. So this handle, I've been planning to sand them off round, but it actually gives you additional traction. It's not as painful when you grab it with gloves, but without the gloves you can feel those edges really digging in to your hand. But since it's thin, it doesn't get much out of the way. You know, it's there, you notice it. It's not a hot spot, but maybe when you're already using it vigorously, then that's gonna start digging in. This Karambit is light, it's not that heavy. 4.8 ounces. plus the sheath. 7.4 ounces, 0.46 pounds, 212 grams, 138 grams without the sheath, and it's 4.8 ounces. How sharp is it? Well, this thing is sharp enough that if it's soft tissue, it would be tearing through it no problem. And the tip, that tip, it's not as pointed. It's a little bit rolled actually, but it can pierce and it will do its job. Acid etched fixed blade Karambit with scalloped handles, G10 scalloped handles. And there you have it, folks. That's my quick review of this fixed blade acid etched scalloped handled Karambit. Hope you liked the video. Please do keep the support coming. Very appreciative of it. And I'll be seeing you guys the next time.